Our lives today are on a fast-forward mode. Speed, lifestyle changes, stress, sickness. To regain the right balance with our lives and nature, Bakson's was created. Welcome to the gentle healing touch. Welcome to Bakson. Bakson's is an inspiring tale, sprawling manufacturing facilities, large chain of clinics and a homeopathy college today. Bakson is a force to reckon with, not just in India but the world over. Who is the visionary behind this endeavor? Who is he to take the group to this pinnacle of success? He is Dr. S.P.S. Bakshi, educationist, entrepreneur and a visionary who has turned his father's dreams into reality.
My inspiration is from my father, late Dr. Bakson Bakshi. My father always felt in India we lack quality manufacturing, quality education, and the most important thing he used to say, we are lacking in research. The visible difference between Bakson and other companies are very simple, that we are very strict with quality. Quality is a constant effort. Cost is forgotten, but the quality is remembered forever. One should not compromise with original species. We should be very clear, herbs should be of that quality in which the original proving was done. We were the first company to get extra neutral alcohol license. We did not compromise. We used the same alcohol in making mother tinctures. All our products are clinically tried on thousands of patients before bringing it out in the market.
As the Vice Chairman Board of Homeopathic System of Medicine and the first elected President of Central Council of Homeopathy for 18.5 years, Dr. S.P.S. Bakshi hasn't just taken Bakson to the acme of success, but has spread the goodness of homeopathy to millions. And his efforts have been widely recognized and awarded. A single man's determination and dream has been translated into reality by the man himself and his core team.
Bakson is a 25-year-old group and has a brand name. Our expected growth should be around 25%. We have two manufacturing units, one at Shillu, that is Himachal Pradesh, the other one is at Roorkee. If need be, then we will not hesitate to come up with a third plant.
With 1 lakh square feet area each, the manufacturing facilities are equipped to handle every demand. Extensive training ensures personnel remain up to date. Bakson's modern manufacturing facilities and procedures comply with international standards. It is an ISO 9001-2008 and GMP certified company. It is registered with the US FDA as a foreign manufacturer. Bakson strictly adheres to the pharmacopoeial standards for procuring medicine to cater to the growing requirements of value-added medicines. Maintains written specifications that describe the homeopathic medicine and the required test methods for specifications pertaining to identity, purity, quantity, potency, and tolerances, and also follows conventional testing protocols for each dosage form. The finished product specifications control the organoleptic and physical characteristics of the product. It has well-equipped quality control laboratory of class 1000 with modular furniture including GLC microbiology and sterility area. It applies TQM techniques and follows fully autonomous functionality.
With our in-house QC and R&D efforts, we have developed standards for each individual ingredients.
The laboratory has all the basic equipment for physico-chemical analysis, extraction, chemical analysis, and assay of chemical compounds by volumetric, gravimetric, spectrophotometric, GLC and TLC techniques. Thin layer chromatography facility for fingerprinting of the herbal medicine or the marker compounds are available for confirming the identity and authenticity of the medicine. There is a unidirectional flow of men and materials to promote optimum productivity. There is ample segregated storage for raw materials and packaging materials with a quarantine facility. Bakson takes pride in using the best raw material, herbs from area of their original habitat, extra neutral alcohol, pharmacopoeial grade HMS high-class lactose for superior consistency and quick dissolution of tablets, and deionized water from RO plant. For preparation of mother tincture, monograph specifications including macroscopic and microscopic identification are taken care of. The moisture content is determined using infrared moisture balance. Chemical methods of evaluation cover isolation, identification, purification, and characteristic determination of drugs having active principles. The final product is then tested for total solids and alcohol content to meet the required specifications besides other tests. Once manufactured to pharmacopoeia standards, the tincture is stored in neutral glass bottles in a temperature-controlled environment. All dilutions are made from chemicals of pharma-grade quality available in India. The lowest back potency for medicines of origin like sarcodes, nasodes or other herbs or chemicals not made available in India are imported. All subsequent back potencies of these are made at Bakson. Keeping abreast with the latest and high-precision technology, Bakson has incorporated the use of automatic potentizer to ensure standardized dynamization of higher potencies with digital control. It is an easy-to-operate equipment that enables to raise 900 potencies per head in one-time operation. The packing of potencies is done strictly under laminar airflow to overcome even infinitesimal chances of particulate contamination. The HEPA filter removes nearly all of the bacteria from the air and assures uncontaminated surroundings in preparation and packaging sections. For liquid preparation, the sample is tested for pH, total solids, and microbiology. After the report complies, filling and capping is done through automatic machines. The ophthalmic unit has dispensing of materials under an SS reverse laminar flow. There are individual cabins with separate air handling units to avoid cross-contamination, in addition to air conditioning with 3-micron filtration to ensure absolute product purity. The company conducts routine and in-depth microbiological testing procedures in order to establish product protocols and to validate sterilization processes. While manufacturing tablets, it is ensured that the appropriate amount of active ingredient is equal in each tablet. Ingredients are well mixed. Compressed tablets are exerted to great pressure in order to compact the material. The tablets are tested for ash value, disintegration time, hardness, friability before being packed. Manufacturing of ointments is done by homogenizers and planetary mixers through fully automatic plant, and then a range of requisite tests including pH, water content, total fatty acids and microbiological ones are done. The goodness of homeopathy has been translated into an entire range of beneficial cosmetics and beauty products. Nature has everything in a fine balance, and that precision is what we are aiming for in Bakson.
We have around 750 distributors, out of which 600 are small ones, 150 are the large ones. We have a pretty large network of dealers.
Bakson is the first homeopathy company to export it to USA, Europe, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Malaysia, Singapore, etc.
A lot of input has been done into research for generic medicines. We need further research into it, combination medicines, so that we are able to incorporate them into our materia medica. At Bakson, we have been doing it not only for our own products, but we are trying to reach out to certain other factors which are yet unexplored in homeopathic field of medicine, especially the efficacy part. We would definitely like to pick up the end from here and carry on this research and not sleep over the things which have been done.
Currently we have about 36 clinics and 2 more are in the pipeline right now.
Getting ready for tomorrow, a visionary takes the dream forward, and as he dreams, he is not alone. As he forges ahead, there are hundreds in his footsteps.
We have a very good congenial atmosphere here in the campus so that we can achieve excellence in education.
It's a non-profitable institution. This is not my college. This is the college of every homeopath. And this is a gift to the nation. I have a desire and a dream that such institute we should start in Europe or in USA. Bakson is again the leading homeopathy company in India of Indian origin. India is a superpower in homeopathy today. We have more than 3 lakh institutionally qualified homeopaths. Another 5 to 10 years, homeopathy will become a very strong force to reckon with. If homeopathy is growing, we all manufacturers grow, and those manufacturers who are very conscious about the quality will excel.
As you climb higher and higher, things are becoming more difficult in terms of market share, turnover. But that is a challenge one has to accept. And we are fully prepared as Bakson to accept this challenge.
Bakson Homeopathy, a ray of hope, a way of health.